Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Canon LZ1324 lens case. This is a little lens case solely for your lenses from Canon. The reason I got this, lenses are such an integral part of your camera, and I sometimes think that people and even professional photographers, and by no means am I a professional photographer, I really enjoy it. But even I see professional photographers kind of not really showing as much care to their lenses as they could. It's all about the body. It's like, oh, I gotta protect the body and put that in a case, and then the lenses will also go in there. But I really think they should have their separate protection because, without them, your photos are nothing. So I think it's so important to have something to protect your lenses. And this does a great job at separating your lenses from the case or anything else. So, you really have it, protection that's just for them. Unique protection, I guess. As for the design on this thing, it's a nice, slim, upright design, which I really like. Stands up nicely. This leather bottom right here. A little insignia on the bottom of the Canon. Stands up easily. Because it's so slim, you can slide it into a backpack. That's usually how I store it. Just put it in my backpack when I'm on the move. On the outside, there's this thick nylon material. It's like this light gray beige sort of color. Really minimal look to it. And nylon, this thick nylon's great. I think this is just like the standard for any soft case, anything, regardless if it's a camera or not. Soft case for guitars, whatever. This is it's a really, really nice material. And it's cool too. I like this because, hard cases can be a little bit bulky. They can be harder to store. If you're putting it in your backpack, they can poke out the side and just be annoying. So I like that it's soft. It's malleable. So when it's not in use, you can pack it down and it goes away. So yeah, you have the nylon. You have little black piping on the side right here, which is cool. You have this leather Canon logo right here on the front. And you go up, you have this double zipper closure, which I think is pretty unique. I've never seen this on anything else, honestly. Open that up, and then unstrap the top, and you're inside. I don't know why they did the double zipper thing. Maybe it just makes retrieving your lenses easier, or maybe it's just, the way they decided to design it, and it was just unique and fun and interesting. So I have no idea. I like it though. I think it works really well. Maybe, it just makes accessing and putting away your lenses much easier. Who knows? But yeah, it's cool. The inside, it's really nice felty material, really nice and soft. You're not going to be scratching up your lenses or, you having anything get messed up with them at all. They're going to be totally fine in there. And then you have this little Velcro strip at the top. Boom, easily Velcroed on top. You have this nice little leather accent, kind of gives it that classy sort of vibe, which I dig. It kind of goes against the whole minimal thing that they had already set up with this case, and kind of makes it different. So there you go, strap it back up. And then let's see what else. We got the little strap on the back right here. This is pretty much if you're, if you want to put like a shoulder neck strap on it, if you're going maybe hiking, or you're only taking, this and not any other cases, that's kind of a nice thing to have right there. I've never really used it, but again, I'll typically put this in a backpack just because, why not? I can. And then you have these little rings right here on the sides. You can strap other accessories or strap this with a carabiner to a bag. It kind of just gives you options and versatility, even for how minimal of a design this thing is. Overall, it's just such a nice, sturdy soft case. I really, really like it, and I've had it for a very long time now, and it's always kept my lenses safe. Typically, I use it for my Canon EF 180mm f3.5L macro lens. It's a pretty big lens. It's an older lens, not a very popular one, but a great macro lens, and it fits nicely in here. And so I don't know the full compatibility with lenses. I know Canon, you know, will usually have them on their website. If you're looking at this case and you like it and you want to get it, they'll have all the different compatibilities. But I mean, that one's a pretty big lens and it fits nicely in here, you know, fits snugly, and I don't have to worry about, you know, it like moving around or you know, not fitting, you know, whatever. It's really nice. But yeah, overall, this is just like such a great little case. And I really highly recommend getting one of these if you care about your lenses and you want to protect them and, you know, show them the same love that you show the body of your camera. So yeah, all right guys, take it easy, have a great day, and you know, keep taking photos. Bye.